Welcome students to the next session of an imperial capital, Vijayanagara. In this session, I will explain to you about some features of temple archaeological style of Vijayanagara. The subtitle is Gopurams and Mandapas. As I told you, in this topic we will discuss about the archaeological style of Vijayanagara temples, and also we discuss about the two most famous temples, Virupaksha and Vithala temple. Question can come about the temples of Vijayanagara, then that time you have to mention about this Vithala and Virupaksha. Apart that, sometimes they will ask, describe about Vithala, yeah, Virupaksha. So you have to learn both these things, right? And the Vijayanagara kings, they adopted both the style of archaeology, like Indo-Islamic, the gateways, domes and arcs, totally based on Islamic style. As you all know that these Vijayanagara rulers, though they fought with these Islamic rulers, but they were ready to accept the technology and the tradition of the Islam. Though that is why that will be the main reason why they constructed or built so many temples and so many domes as well as the gateways in that structure. And next one is the common feature of the South Indian temples, that is a Dravidian style. You can see most of the South Indian temples, they are follow this style only, Dravidian temples. Let's see what are they. All the Dravidian style temples are having the common characteristics like Gopurams. Gopuram means entrance, royal gateways. Most of the temples of this South India, Gopurams are too tall, because दूर से हम देख सकते हैं, दूर से हम गोपुरम को देख सकते हैं, because this gopuram indicate the prosperity of the kingdom as well as the strength and ability of the king. That is why kings always construct the gopurams so high. बहुत ऊंचे में होंगे, वो दूर से देख सकता है गोपुरम, मंदिर का गोपुरम्स होता है, right? Second is mandapas. Mandapas means pavilions. That also around the temple also. Long pillared corridors. This is also a common feature of the Dravidian style temples. Most South Indian temples having this long pillared corridors. Garbhagriha, as you already learned in the smaller class also, where the principal deity is placed, that is known as Garbhagriha. जहाँ पर जो वहाँ का main जो मूर्ति है वो जहाँ पर place किया है उसी को गर्भगृह बोलेंगे. Then sculptures as usual, inner walls as well as outer wall, सब जगह पर sculptures, different style means stories also. Ramayana का scenes, ना different scenes are totally depicted as sculptures. Then chariot streets, that I will discuss when I talk about this Vithala temple, right? And these are the Dravidian style. So these two style, intermixing of styles, they adopted this Vijayanagara rulers adopted when they built the temples. I told you that most important two temples were that Virupaksha and Vithala temple. As you all know that Virupaksha, that means the people are worshipping Shiva as Virupaksha. Even I told you that the rulers of Vijayanagara, they signed all the royal orders in the name of Virupaksha. And Virupaksha के बारे में अगर बोलेगा तो this shrine that was built in the 9th or 10th centuries, but built over centuries. And inscriptions also describe, means suggested that this temple means built in this time, 9th or 10th centuries. It had a hall, not only a hall, so many halls are there. But it had a hall in front of the main shrine. जो मेन जो shrine के सामने एक बड़ा सा hall होता है. And this hall was constructed by Krishna Deva Raya to mark his accession to the throne. जब राजा बना है तब उन्होंने ये बना के टेम्पल के लिए गिफ्ट किया है. Such halls, how many halls were there? I told you. These halls were used for variety of purposes. मतलब डिफरेंट पर्पस के लिए यूज करते थे. कौन कौन सी है? इन सम ऑफ द हॉल्स द इमेज ऑफ गॉड्स वर प्लेस्ड. किसी किसी हॉल्स में ईश्वर का जो इमेज प्लेस किया गया है. And in some few other halls, special programs like music, drama, dance, etc. were held. So some halls, God's ka image, some other for the programs like music ho gaya. Because I already told you that the temple is the learning center also and the cultural center, religious practices, activity, सब कुछ होता है. So some halls is meant for this dance, drama and music, etc. Right? For few other halls, they were used to celebrate the marriage of deities. It's also क्या बोलेंगे कि a belief. As I told you that Virupaksha, about Virupaksha and Pampa Devi, right? Incarnation of Parvati. So their marriages also, they held in those halls. In some other halls, the swings of the deities are also installed. So all these purposes, their halls, they developed, means constructed. So this you may please note it down also, because in the book also it is there, but you have to learn also. Virupaksha temple के बारे में बोलने के टाइम अब बोलेंगे 9 to 10 centuries में बना है. और इसका लेकिन डेवलपमेंट जो हुआ था, मतलब 9 to 10 centuries पर श्राइन बना था, बट डेवलपमेंट टेक्स प्लेस ड्यूरिंग द रेन ऑफ विजयनगरा रूलर्स. विजयनगरा रूलर्स का टाइम में डेवलपमेंट हो गया इस टेम्पल का. फिर उसके बाद डिफरेंट हॉल्स है, वो हॉल्स वगैरह क्या कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ करते थे, क्या क्या यूज़ करते थे, सब बोलना है. उससे पहले द्रविडियन स्टाइल का गोपुरम के बारे में ये सब कुछ सबको बोलना नहीं, तो सदर्न टेम्पल में है. राइट? इस तरह आपको डिस्कस करना है. राइट? Next is the Vithala temple. Vitthal, Lord Vitthal means Lord Vishnu, right? The main deity or the main god is of this temple is Vithala. Vithala means, I told you, Vishnu. It says Vithala is the incarnation of Lord Vishnu. And normally this Vishnu normally worshipped in the Maharashtra state. Normally महाराष्ट्र में विष्णु का टेम्पल्स एंड सब कुछ, द पीपल ऑफ महाराष्ट्र दे वर्शिप विष्णु. बट वी कैन से दैट द वर्शिप ऑफ दिस डाइटी वाज स्टार्टेड इन कर्नाटका बाय द रूलर्स ऑफ विजयनगरा. विजयनगरा का रूलर्स दे स्टार्टेड द वर्शिप ऑफ दिस डाइटी इन कर्नाटका. दैट मीन्स दीज पीपल आर रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट द अदर ट्रेडिशन एंड अदर कल्चर. दे आर द टॉलरेंट वन. इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है. Vijayanagara rulers were the tolerant people and they are rulers and they are ready to accept the culture of others. अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. विठाला जो महाराष्ट्रियंस वर्शिप करते हैं उसको कर्नाटका में लेके आया and they are also worshipping. Right? Like other temples, this temple is also has many conference halls. Like यहाँ वीरवक्षा का बोला, same as this halls are there. It also has a beautiful temple which is in the shape of chariot. Chariot means रथ की स्टाइल में है. Another main characters of the temple that premises is that there are chariot streets. Chariot street क्या है? See, this is the temple. ठीक है? And ये आपका गेटवे से गेट, ये टेम्पल है. यहाँ से लंबा सा ऐसे आपका स्ट्रीट होगा, straight street होगा आपका. राइट? Straight street. We can say that they are in straight just as in the temple gopuram. Temple gopuram, ये गोपुरम है आपका. गोपुरम से straight ऐसे जाएगा. The streets are paved with stone. Stone slabs होंगे वहाँ पर पूरा. And lined with the pillared pavilions होंगे. ऐसे pavilions, हरे pavilions होंगे. And the pavilions ऐसे होंगे. This is in the style of chariot. ठीक है? These are pavilions. यहाँ पर कौन बैठा है? The traders. Some of the we can say the traders set up their shops in these pavilions. ये pavilions में वो shop में जो traders और या क्या बोलेंगे सामान बेचने के लिए बहुत सारे shopkeepers and all traders also यहाँ बैठा होगा. आज भी today also we can say I have seen that one temple which Chidambaram, Tamil Nadu, that was constructed by the Chola kings. So same as it is the chariot style, and you can say that pavilions from Gopuram to here straight, you can the stereo straight, and pavilions are there. Traders still today also traders कुछ लोग फूल बेच रहे हैं, कुछ फूल मंदिर के लिए कुछ और different items वगैरह बेच रहे हैं. इस तरह बहुत number of merchants are seated and they are selling so many things near the premises. These are premises, temple premises. Some of the unique gopurams इसका ही है built by the Nayakas, local Nayakas. फिर बाद में कुछ अच्छा सा गोपुरम्स वगैरह बना दिया. So these two temple के बारे में you have to learn. It is important. Virupaksha and Vithala, right? This is the questionnaire. I don't have much questions today because I have explained only one topic, that is about the temples of Vijayanagara, the mandapas and gopurams. That's all, that only. So question is also from that topic only, means that question only. You have to explain the temples of Vijayanagara, that means especially Virupaksha and Vithala. What do you have learned, or what you know, you may please explain.
Virupaksha temple, it is dedicated to Lord Shiva and it is dated during the 9th to 10th century, and it was enlarged with the establishment of Vijayanagara Empire, and the main hall in front of the shrine is built by the Krishnadeva Raya, which is marked as his accession, and many developments
मतलब जो accession of thorn, yes, okay.
And many development take place in the region of Vijayanagara.
Region नहीं, reign of. Many times I told you, not region. Reign means rule.
In the reign of Vijayanagara Empire, and many halls were used for various purposes, like such halls were used for placing the images, and some few halls were used for special programs like music and dance, and some halls were used for celebrating the marriages of deities, and other halls were used for the swaying of deities, etc. And Vithala temple, it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu.
This was built, I forgot to say that it was built during the I think the 14th century. Yes, 14th century it built. Okay.
Vithala temple, it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and it is mainly worshipped in Maharashtra, but it is also worshipped in Karnataka also, and so the like other temples, this temple has also several halls, and a unique feature is of this temple is that this shrine is designed as a chariot, and the characteristic feature is of this temple is that the chariot street, it is laid in a street
from the gopuram. It start straight
from the
temple in a straight line.
In a straight line, and it is made with paved stone. It is paved with the stone slabs and pillared pavilions, and
in which the merchants or traders are both the sides.
Shops, and some temples or gopurams were built by the local Nayakas.
And a number of shrines were there. They are also surrounded with walls and all, compound walls, etc. Right. Thank you. Please listen carefully the topic and understand and write the notes about Virupaksha and Vithala temple. Thank you.